In addition to alternative therapy, Radionics is a personal development methodology that has gained popularity for its ability to improve skills and aptitudes in a wide range of fields. What interests you? What moves you? What are your hobbies? Please, let us know in the comments. From art and music to sports and personal finances, through multiple other motivations, Radionics offers powerful tools to increase human capabilities. Personal relationships or any other field of personal improvement can also be enhanced with surprising effectiveness. Here are some examples of diverse uses reported by users. Music. Those interested in music use Radionics to improve their precision and creativity. Also concentrate better, improve your coordination, and release creative blocks. Radionics is used to help achieve a state of flow, where playing an instrument becomes more natural and less forced. Capacity for conviction and personal influence. Many who wish to improve their ability to convince use Radionics to increase their charisma and persuasion skills. It is possible to positively influence others, promoting constructive changes in their lives and those around them. Personal finances? In the area of personal finances, Radionics is used to improve mental clarity and stimulate the ability to make sound decisions. Specific actions aimed at attracting financial opportunities, connecting with vibrations of material abundance and improving money management. Public speaking. People who want to improve their public speaking skills can help themselves increase their confidence and mental clarity. Surprising results have been described in relation to reducing stage fright and anxiety associated with speaking in front of an audience. These are just some examples. In reality, Radionics can be a way to stimulate human excellence in any field of activity. A tool to increase the chances of success and personal fulfillment. A way to enhance natural abilities or develop new attitudes and skills in areas of interest. Implementing Radionics into your daily life is simple and can be a very advantageous decision. Experiment and check results. If you want to know more about Radionics, subscribe to this channel, or visit our website www.radionicainternational.com and download our book on Radionics completely free. We are waiting for you.